To solve class 10th logarithm problems, so see, if you know this formula, then easily we can simplify the problems. This is 9. The first one is logarithm definition here. If a power x equals n, then x is said to be logarithm of n to the base a, where a and n should be positive real numbers, and for some real x, and a should not be 1. Next one is log a to the base a is 1. A logarithm of a number to the same base is 1, and logarithm of unity to any non-zero base is 0. Next one is log ab to the base x. This is logarithm of product. If it is product, we'll write log a to the base x plus log b to the base x. Next, logarithm of quotient. Log a by b to the base x equals log a to the base x minus log b to the base x. This is logarithm of power. Log a power m to the base x equals m log a to the base x. And next formula is log a power m to the base b power n equals m by n log a to the base b. Next one, log a to the base b power n equals 1 by n log a to the base b. And a power log n to the base a equals n. Now see, the problems we can easily simplify with the help of this formula. Now log 5 to the base 25. So log 5 base 25 you can write as 5 square. That if you do prime factors. Now see here, I'll use this formula, base formula, this one. Okay, the formula is like log a to the base b power n is 1 by n log a to the base b. So here in place of n we have 2, so 1 by 2 log 5 to the base 5. Now log 5 to the base 5, if you'll see this second formula here, logarithm of a number to the same base is 1, so log 5 to the base 5 is 1. So here 1 by 2 into 1 is 1 by 2. So in this way we can simplify this. In the same way, second question if you'll see, log 3 to the base 81. So log 3 81, if you do prime factors, you can write 3 power 4. So prime factors of like 81, 3 times 27, 3 times 9, and 3 times 3. So 81 you can write as 3 power 4. Again the same formula, logarithm of this one, 8th one. So log a to the base b power n is 1 by n log a to the base b. This is the formula. So in place of n, here we have again 4. So 1 by 4 log 3 to the base 3. Again log a to the base a, its value is 1. One more formula. Log a to the base a is 1. So now 1 by 4 log 3 to the base 3 is 1. So 1 by 4 into 1 is 1 by 4. So the answer is 1 by 4. Log 1 by 16 to the base 2. So whenever you'll get a fraction, so first write log 1 by 16 to the base 2. So 1 by 16 I can write as 1 by 2 power 4 to the base 2. So log 1 by 2 power 4 I can write as 2 power minus 4 to the base 2. 2 power minus 4 to the base 2. It is in the form of logarithm of power. So this form, 6th one. So log a power m to the base x equals m log a to the base x. So here in place of m we have minus 4. So minus 4 log 2 to the base 2. So minus 4, again logarithm of a number to the same base, its value is 1. This formula. So minus 4 into 1 is minus 4. In the same way, if you'll see the next question, log 1 to the base 7. See, this is direct answer. Logarithm of unity to any non-zero base is 0. So here log 1 to the base 7, the answer is 0. If you want, you can write the formula. Logarithm of unity to any non-zero base is like 0. So in this way you have to solve the problems. So this formula, if you know this all these 9 formula, then easily you can simplify the logarithm problems. Next question, log root x. So log root x to the base x. So root x you can write as x power 1 by 2 to the base x. So here logarithm of power, like it is in the form of log a to the power of m to the base x equals m log a to the base x. So see, logarithm of power. So now here in place of m we have 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 log x to the base x. Again logarithm of a number to the same base, its value is 1. So 1 by 2 log x to the base x is 1. So 1 by 2 times 1 is 1 by 2. Now if you'll see the next question, log 512 to the base 2. Log 512 you can write as 2 power 9 to the base 2. 2 power 9 to the base 2. See 512, if I'll do prime factorization, like 2 times 256, 2 times 128, 2 times 64, 2 times 32, 2 times 16, 2 times 8, 2 times 4, 2 times 2. So in this way 2 power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2 power 9. So the same formula. So here log a power m. So if you apply the same formula here, these are the formulas. 9 log 2 to the base 2. Again logarithm of a number to the same base. So 9 log a to the base a is 1. So 9 times 1 is 9. Log 0.01 to the base 10. So log 0.01 to the base 10. So when you will get decimals, first change into like fraction, 1 by 100 for 0.1 after 0.2 digits, so 2 zeros to the base 10. So log 1 by 100 you can write as 1 by 10 square to the base 10. Now log 1 by 10 square you can write as 10 power minus 2 to the base 10. 10 power minus 2 to the base 10. Again same logarithm of power. Log a to the power of m to the base x equals m log a to the base x. So here in place of m we have minus 2. So minus 2 log a to the base x, here log 10 to the base 10. So minus 2 logarithm of a number to the same base is 1. So log 10 to the base 10 is 1. So minus 2 into 1 is minus 2. So the answer is minus 2. Next problem, if you'll see next problem. Log 8 by 27 to the base 2 by 3. So 8 you can write as 2 cube, 27 you can write as 3 cube to the base 2 by 3. So log this 2 cube by 3 cube, 2 cube by 3 cube you can write as 2 by 3 whole cube to the base 2 by 3. Here if you apply logarithm of power, that is log a power m to the base x. So in place of m, same formula, if you apply same formulas here also. So in place of m we have 3. So 3 log 2 by 3 to the base 2 by 3. So here logarithm of a number to the same base, its value is 1. So 3 times 1 is 3. So we need to find the value of 2 power 2 plus log 3 to the base 2. So it is 2 power 2 plus log 3 to the base 2. Now here a power m plus n you can write as a power m into a power n. A power m into a power n. This problem you can do 2 power 2 into 2 power log 3 to the base 2. Log 3 to the base 2. 2 power 2 is 4. 2 power 2 is 4 into this is in the form of the ninth formula here. A power log n to the base a. A power log n to the base a, its value is n. Here in place of a we have here 2. In place of n we have 3, so when answer is n, so 3, so 4 times 3 is 12. So in this way we need to solve the problems. So what I want to say is, if you learn all these 9 formulas, then logarithms easily you can solve.